right now. Logan got more water.
Something in my eye. I think it's
bullshit.
Yep, no, that's definitely hate for Brayden in there.
Dang. Dang. Hi, Logan. I got all my PC parts finally. It only took like not very long. Logan's gonna eat my screws apparently.
Going to. Already did, baby.
That's why there's only 3 there.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Logan, you want to see a cool party trick? These things swim, you know?
Oh my god.
Check this out, you ready?
Actually had one in his mouth. Great, now I'm gonna get a cold. Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this, but Dylan's basically here to help me.
That's what he thinks.
It just puts the... And now it works. I'm helping.
No, we definitely need to get the SSD in there. So, like...
That is an operating computer.
we don't have a power supply in there, though.
Dang, that thing works, man.
Look to me.
Runs like a dream.
So, got all the parts out. And, I am basically the apprentice to Dylan's building, so...
the apprentice.
Why?
So you're going to build my next computer for me if I build you this one?
Don't get your hopes up.
You're building my next one.
I'll have a general idea. Yeah, the man has spoken.
That's how it goes, you know?
Dylan's got like a $20,000 kit. Alright, don't fuck this up.
Oh, fuck yeah. You gotta build the whole thing.
Whole thing.
Cool table,
Yeah.
everything. Bend the copper, too.
Bend the copper, yeah.
You'll be fine.
Well, I have French toast crunch at home, so.
You do? Oh.
Oh yeah, got some for Christmas. Well, if you don't say so.
Fucking love Fruit Loops.
Yeah, we don't even eat cereal. Hard pass. What?
I heard that.
Heard what? I'm just saying it's on, and you should be happy about it, you know? You don't need any of these, do you?
I'd love some of these.
Oh yeah? Just for what, snacks at work?
Yeah. I'm digging it.
Then get one.
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know.
It's the first time she's read in like 3 years.
So Otto brings his blanket, his bone, his stick.
I would hope he brings his stick. It's attached to his dick. It is his dick.
Hey. And a turn.
Lick himself clean, you know what I mean?
Otto arrives at camp with all of his things, and he's pretty cool looking.
Oh yeah, all of his things. His boner.
The first day, everybody goes fishing, but Otto doesn't catch anything. Silly Otto, says the other campers. Fish don't like boners! I'm just kidding.
I'm pretty sure they do. They don't have much of a say.
Okay.
Pop one of them fuckers
It's
on
almost
there.
over, okay?
Hey, look. It's fucking fish eat condom, whatever.
That night,
Fish eat fish world.
they roast marshmallows, but Otto keeps burning his. Your stick is too short, so the other campers say.
I've heard that story a couple of times, if you know what I mean.
It's too short. How does it keep burning if the stick is too short? Wouldn't it be farther out of the flame?
Do you think so?
Getting too close, you know?
I'm retarded.
Okay. When it's time for bed, Otto lies in on his blanket. You're supposed to be in a sleeping bag, say the other campers. Okay. But when Otto goes into his sleeping bag, he gets stuck. Silly Otto.
Silly Otto.
Silly Otto.
See, I've seen this situation before when they're stuck in the washing machine.
Okay, maybe tomorrow will be better. He thinks finally Otto falls asleep underneath the stars.
That's cute.
I know.
Last time
The
I
next
fell asleep
day,
underneath the stars, I ended
campers
up in
go
a
on
dark
hike.
room.
I was pissed off.
Otto packs his blanket, his bone, his stick, and his cherry pie.
Dang, where's he
Silly.
packing it?
Fudge.
Thought it was in his extra storage
Shut up! Suddenly, the campers run into a bear. Eek, they all yell, but Otto isn't scared. He likes bears. Eek, 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 camp woof, camp woof, camp woof.
What kind of dog likes fucking bears?
Hello, bear, says Otto. How are you? I'm hungry, says the bear. Otto
I'm feeling
takes
bear?
his cherry
Or
pie
dog?
out of his backpack.
Cocaine bear.
Cocaine. You know, there is a very
Would you like some?
dangerous
Yes?
apex predator.
No, says the bear.
For
Cherry
about
pie
5
is my
minutes.
favorite. Camp woof.
Camp Wolf.
Smart Otto, says the other campers. Otto spreads out his blanket and they all have a picnic. I can't wait to come back next year, says Otto. Camp woof, camp woof, camp woof, camp woof, camp woof.
Why do you have to say the names of
I
them?
like to.
Okay.
Always bring your favorite toy bone with you. Wherever you go, so your cherry pie won't feel lonely. Love, Stick, Otto, Tom. Otto and Todd dog.
Yeah, it's like the dog gets reamed the whole fucking trip, and then he wants to go back. It's a fucking masochist if I ever seen
This
one.
is